The biggest thing stopping from starting your own digital business isn't lack of skill, but fear. Because the truth is, most people don't fail before they start. They stop themselves before they even begin. And we are live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever part of the world you are. Here we are again, the our live podcast, as a live podcast, live, go live here. It's Beyond 9 to 5. I am Ryan Alexander Lim. I'm a registered nurse by profession all the way from Pennsylvania, USA, originally from the Philippines, dad of two, and husband to my wife, who is also a registered nurse here in the US. So before we will start our topic, this is a very exciting topic, Gini, and it's so nice, Gini, kada mag go live me together with Ate Bell and Ate Jinky kay I've learned so much from them. But before anything else, we would like to invite you to our free webinar Ganina. Naano yung free webinar ganina? It's Thursday, 8 p.m. But of course, if you were not able to watch the live free webinar, we have a replay. You can watch it anytime during your free time, anytime, anywhere. That is how flexible our digital business is. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we have a live webinar. If you are planning to start your own digital business, we will help you. We will guide you every step of the way until you will become successful. So we will guide you and help you to have your own digital business. So guys, starting an online digital business sounds exciting until fear starts talking. What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if I'm not good with technology? What if I lose the money? Mga ginatong sometimes makakahadlok ka, no? Money. These fears are more common than people think. And the reality is, almost everyone who starts something new feels uncertain in the beginning. The difference is not who feels fear. The difference is who learns how to move forward despite the fear. So, guys, I'm so excited for today. So, the first guest that will be talking, of course, wag ni siya ang pinakauna kanunay, all the way from the Philippines. Okay, Ate Jinky, the floor is yours. Go ahead,
Klaro,
Ate.
klaro na ang pattern dong.
Tinindot lagi ng 9 to 5. Thank you, Ate Bell.
Lagi, ganahan kay kumuwi-uwi. Okay. Good morning, friends. From my side of the world, from the Philippines. Jinky here again for today's Beyond the 9 to 5 episode, together with Brother Ryan and Sis Bell. So, I'm a nanay to two young adults, a carer to a stroke perio husband, a nanay to three lovely dogs, and ESL teacher on the side, and a proud, very proud digital business owner. So, when people hear about online or digital business, many think the biggest fear is legitimacy. But honestly, for me, uh, but before that, para sa itong giingon ni Dong Ryan nga, losing money. But honestly, for me, that wasn't my fear. So, unsa man akong fear? It wasn't really that losing money because I trusted my mentor very well. The one who presented to me this business very, very credible and has integrity. So my fears came later during the process itself. So dihan ako naghadlok-hadlok. Nadaanan ako sa sud. It wasn't because this business, I believe, uh, very legitimate, and we've been talking about that when we take pride of this business. So at the beginning, everything felt unfamiliar. Kaya unsa good digital business oy, unsa man nagong affiliate marketing, unsa man na siya. Kaya ang atong naandan, mamaligya ra jud ta. Mangagni ra jud, "Huy, palit ka ani." Never the digital, never working on the online space. So simple things already felt scary, like para na ako along the way. So we need to create ads. Kung baan ba ka na mag-click-click dia sa Facebook, mag-click-click dia sa Instagram. Ay, asa mo kumuadto mag-create ko og ads. Unsa man ni? Daghan ba ka na sa kanang when you create ads, daghan kay kag pangtan-awon. Nya, kuya biyag masayop ka. Well, para na ako, kuya ko masayop ko. So clicking links and learning systems, watching tutorial videos, yung, Uy, asam ko mag-click ani, asam to dapit. And aside from that, contacting people around the world because this is global. So asa mo ko mangutana, at that time, bisag Bisaya or kay ba kung Bisaya na sila, mauwa pa man ka, moingon nga, uy, kanang, unsa pasabot ani kay ingnon pa nagkagbugo. Di ka ganan bi ana. So really asking questions was fearful and putting myself out there on social media. Hala, sa unang panahon, mag-share-share naman ta, uy, di ko, musuwat anang akong feed diha. Kay kulba. Mag-scroll-scroll ra gyud ka. So putting myself out there, no way you say. So doing my labi na ni karon sa unang panahon, off the record, we're just talking about, hala, kano sa lang man ta nakatunog go live, like a year or two? So doing go live, ha, kakulba, di jud mi ana, oy. Post gani, madlock man gani. So, and maybe for other people, gamay ra na nga butang. But for me at that time, ha, overwhelming. Grabe kaayo. So, because every new step pushed me outside my comfort zone. Ah, grabe ang kung push my comfort zone lang ang storyahan, grabe, murag ka ng out na gyud kay ko sa akong comfort zone. Like talking to you right now, this is really outside my comfort zone. So I realized fear is not always a sign nga dili nimo kaya. Look at me now, nakayahan na, nakayanan naman ni Dong Ryan og ni Sis Bell. So sometimes fear simply means this is new to you, right? Bago ang affiliate marketing, ang sa digital business, because we never knew about that whenever back in school. No one told us about that until they showed me Ani. And growth usually feels uncomfortable at first. Diba? Especially if labi na nako, okay ra gyud ko kanang copy and paste. Kamaoro pa ana copy and paste, pero kanang mag-click-click dia sa Facebook kanang creating ads ug unsa nang insights, mag-click-click ka diha unsa na create, unsa na mo na maka hadlok. Yeah, of course, shy ta kaayo, di ta kanang okay ra gud kanang person to person like physical, pero online kay ba like thinking that global people are have the chance of watching you online. Yeah, kana introvert ka or naanad ka nga private imong kinabuhi, so di jud ka mo putting yourself out online can feel very vulnerable, Jude. So, what helped me? So, one of the biggest things that helped me was finding the Bisaya community, like Sis Bell, Bisaya pong dako, Brother Ryan, parehaming Bisaya. And kuan lang niya sila, kanang tip of the iceberg sa akong na kitaan nga mga Bisayang dako. And this mga Bisayang dako is all over the world. Ireland, Europe, Australia, Canada, US, Missouri, the mga Bisaya is all over the Canada, Edmonton, kung asa na lang. Sis Bell is in Louisiana. So originally from Cagayan. So mao na nga kanang this is one of the biggest things nga nakatabang nako because suddenly dili na ko alone. Dili ra ako magbinisaya online. So naa na kay mga pangutan-an using your own dialect. Nga dili ka matagbag in English diha. Uy, unsa mo gud pag in English ang unsa ni? So baka express ka in your own dialect. Nya nakay kasabay to grow, di ba? So kanang nanay kanang makahibaw ka nga nay makasabot sa imong journey nga pareha ra di mo gipang-agian nga nagkulba-kulba po diha sus Ginoo ko ang kakuyaw nga mo click unsa nang i-click diha in English sa among training side is in English, although sa karong panahon daghan na mi og kanang translation like Arabic, Chinese, kanang sa patong uban. I think Bisaya is also
French.
French na pod, 'di ba? So daghan na kayo nga translations ang among training site. So mao na nga kanang dili na ka magpanagan na jud og pangutana. So di ka maglisod og sabot. So little by little my confidence grew. And because of that environment, I became more courageous. So na, makita na ko ninyo every Friday and every Sunday magtabi dire online. So I became more proactive. So mga tanan na ka. And if there are things nga nang dili na ko masabtan, so dili na ko magpanuko og pangutana because for sure naray parehan ako og question. It's just nga sila po siguro during like in my very first few years mahadlok po. So murabag I represent those people nga mahadlok mo pangutana. So I do the asking. So that's being proactive and willing to lead. So like sa among small community, like in my own team. So yeah, I take the leads. I sometimes lead the masterminding and coordinate these kind of things. So willing to take the initiative. So mo na siya. And but I would like to tell you nga fear doesn't disappear overnight. Wala gyud na siya mawa no overnight. Mahadlok gyud gyapon like right now inagsugod og pislit ni Dodong sa Go Live. Butterflies in our stomach pero eventually kung magsige na kag-iwi mawa ra man na siya. So confidence grows every time that we show up, that we try again if we fail, and we stay connected and we continue learning. So, dili siya dapat nga muundang because ang fear, dili sign nga mo stop na ka. Usahay, sign lang na siya nga naa ka sa place where growth is starting. And the online world became less scary when I stopped trying to do everything alone because in this business, you'll never be alone. Yes, we always saying this is your business, so it's up to you how to go about it. But ang amo ra yung ma-assure ninyo because you are not going to do it alone. Like I am not doing it alone. I have the whole community behind my back. All right? And that's it from me, Dong. Thank you for having me. Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you so much Ate Jinky, di ba? Sakto gid no. One of the fear good again emphasize Ate Jinky is the fear of technology. So what is good about our digital business is our training site, okay? Ganahan gyud ko kay kanang even my new business owner nga akong gimentoran, appreciate gud niya ang training site niya kanindot ani sir uy nga kuan kay very worth it gid among training site. So as what Ate Jinky, so burag na atay fear aside ba when you talk about digital business, hala kinahanglan ba ko aning techie, kinahanglan ba guys, you don't need to be techie as long as you can you know how to kanang follow a process or the step by step process. Maski pag unsa imong edad, maski 70 pa ka, kaya gid kaayo ni nga digital business. Hamo gyud masulti kay most tools that we are using right now, they are beginner friendly and skills can be learned. Then another thing nga burag ko na Ate Jinky na emphasize is kanang the fear of judgment bitaw. Madlok ta nga what will people think nga kay kung magsigaw pangutana. But the good thing in our digital business, maski unsa pa na imong pangutana, be you are a new one or you are old or dugay na kaani nga digital business, your questions are valid. So sometimes kana bitong imo maunahan bitaw ka nga laon sa kaisulti ani kung mo nang i-post no, but mao ra jud ang isulti. People's opinion don't build your future. it's you who will build your future. So, most successful people were judged before they were respected. So, bahala na. Kaya di man sila nag-buy sa imong mga bills. So, thank you so much for that, Ate Jinky. Now, let's